Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So the TCU, also known as TCM fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation Challenger right here. What we need to do, guys, we need to work in two different fuse boxes. The first one, we need to open the hood, and once you open the hood, you may have a V6 V8 engine on the left side. That's the facing the car on the left side. That's actually the passenger side. See, that's a fuse box. These two tabs, you need to push them together and pull the cover up, lift it up. Then you will see that fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. For the TCU, TCM, which fuses and relays we need to check, guys, now, multiple ones. The first one is known as fuse 29, right here. Check this fuse, very important fuse. After that, you will, guys, need to check fuse 37. So that's 34, 5, 6, 37, right here, that 10M fuse. Next, guys, we need to go ahead and open, we still need to be here. We need to check relay, okay, specifically relay 40, relay. Yeah, that's right, 44. So if you come here, okay, it will be that relay that you see, guys. That's relay 44. That will be the relay that you will, yes. Let me double check that. Actually, it could be this relay right here or that relay, depending on the model, guys. So check both. Next, you will, guys, need to open the trunk. Once you open the trunk, leave the carpet liner up, you have the spare tire here and you have a car battery next to it. Behind it you have a fuse box. That's what it looks like. Squish the tabs together, pull the cover up, and you're going to find that layout here. Specifically here we need to check relay 26 now, guys. Fuse 26, and that fuse, guys, you may or may not have it. If you come in that row of fuses, that's fuse 27, 26 will be right next to it on the left side. We don't have that one, depending on which transmission model we have as well. So those are the fuse relays that we need to check on the Challenger for the TCU and TCM module. So, guys, this Challenger has all kinds of different fuses and relays. Those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. We'll, guys, put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some spare ones, put in the glove box, because one time we needed a spare, we couldn't find one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.